Morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. This is Paulster 2. Yep, these guys are dirty. Anyways, you can see I got all of the rings off, and I'm glad I ordered a new ring pack because, as I figured, several of them busted. As you can tell here, several of them busted. Some of them are out there amongst the weeds. Anyways, pistons themselves, they are filthy. So I got the rest of them sitting over here soaking in the clean fluid and solvent, and I'm gonna go through and start cleaning these guys up. Anyways, and I think, let's see, I think I got number one is a lot closer to clean. You can see it's still got some carbon on it, but I was letting it soak while I was taking the piston rings off the most of the other side. But yeah, you can see a little bit of wear there, but it looks pretty good. Not too shabby. All of the piston pin, all of the piston pins, everything is tight, everything's good there. Yeah, I got to clean out the inside of that, but I thought I would let it soak and do its thing. So that's what I'm working on this morning, is getting these pistons cleaned up, and we'll go from there. Well, I'm about halfway through. It took a lunch break, about halfway through cleaning pistons, and I'm not sure that they're completely cleaned yet. I'm going to go back through them and probably, because I want to be anal and make sure that they're clean, but they are in a lot better shape than what they were to begin with. Over here in the parts cleaner, yep, there's the big mess. So four more to do. Well, 3.5. One of them I already cleaned up fairly well, the number 8 piston. But anyways, is what it is. Still got a lot more work to do, and I'm back at it. Well, I'm finishing up cleaning for the day, and you can tell, well, hopefully you can tell the pistons are looking a lot better than what they were when I had them on there earlier. Started working on some of the other parts, but a lot of cleaning. The back cover is what I was working on. You can tell that front cover is nasty. Anyways, but they clean up, the front cover cleaned up, the rear cover cleaned up pretty good. So not too big of a deal. These guys are probably not as clean as they should be. Not as clean as I want them to be, but they will work for now. I think I'm going to spritz them with a little bit of WD-40, make sure that they're okay. You can tell these guys are going to be a lot of work. Anyway, son's got a new pan coming. It's a short pan, not a truck pan, but more like a Camaro pan, I think. Anyways, still got a lot of work to do. I didn't know if I'd said anything. I needed a new set of lifters, so then I remembered that I had a set of lifters that I couldn't use for my small block, and I think I might have mentioned that already. I'm not sure. Anyways, but saved me $110. I mean, that was as cheap as I could find the HL128s. And who knows if they were even HL128s. They're probably Chinesium knockoffs that they said, hey, this is what it is. Anyways, I said the bolts, that's bolts for the rear cover, and cleaned up pretty good. Those bolts did. I'm letting the back cover soak. So, anyways, I've got the rest of the parts are on order. At least I believe I've got all the parts on order that I need, but it is I'm still debating on. I may go ahead and replace these bearings just because if I do use these, they're gonna get cleaned up, but I don't know. It may just do me good. The bearings are not that expensive, especially LS. Standard LS bearings are relatively cheap. Probably cost me $60 for both the rods and the mains. So, anyways, is what it is. But it all costs money. My wife complains that this is an expensive hobby, and I have to agree. It's not cheap, but it's my hobby. It's what I do. So, anyways, till next time, guys. Have fun and be well.